Let's start with our first chapter, that is Introduction of Art. So ancient text has defined limbs of painting. You know very well that 6 limbs of paintings are there: Pramanam, Bhavam, Lavanyojnam, Rubheda, Sadrishyam and Varnikabhang. These 6 limbs of art are there. Then Pramana refer to measurement, proportion and structure. Smallest element of art is, they have given 4 options: line, shape, texture, point. So the smallest element is point. Forms are dimensional shapes. Forms are 3-dimensional shapes. 3D forms रहते हैं, 3D art रहता है जैसे. So red and yellow mixed together form the color orange. Green जो है हमारा बनता है yellow and blue से. Blue color is primary color. We are not able to make this, and black is of course neutral color. So the answer is orange. You must know about the mixing of colors. A form of balance in which both sides of composition have the same elements in the same position, and as in mirror image. Mirror image में आमने सामने कोई भी object रख दो बिल्कुल same दिखते हैं. So this is symmetrical composition. Let's move to prehistorical rock painting, art of Indus Valley. So you must know about the Bhimbetka caves. So as you know, in Madhya Pradesh, maximum number of prehistorical rock shelters are found at. You are very well known about of Bhimbetka caves. So that belongs to Madhya Pradesh. And what colors were used for prehistoric wall painting? And oil colors, no. Watercolors, no. Of course, wax colors, no. The mineral colors, they have used mineral colors in caves. Which animal has been painted the most in prehistoric rock painting? Bison, cat, kangaroo and giraffe. Cat, kangaroo and giraffe के बारे में हमने बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ा. So the answer is bison. And what was the surface of Bhimbetka paintings? Paper पे नहीं है, palm leaf, canvas या wall of caves. And which color combination was mainly used in Bhimbetka caves? Red and yellow, no. Green and purple, never. Pink and green, no. Red and white, yeah. So who discovered Bhimbetka caves? Vishnu Vakankar. So V.S. Vakankar is the answer. The rock shelter of Bhimbetka is situated in Vindhya Hills. So go through these questions. Now this is our next chapter, art of Indus Valley. So going to do some questions from this. The most common animal figure found in Harappa sites. So the answer is bull. As you know that there is a seal in our book that is known as bull seal. So you must have read about that. So bull is the common animal figure found in Harappa site. The utensil of Indus Valley people were mainly made up of clay. उनका क्ले का यूज़ ज़्यादा होता था. ये बाकी मटेरियल इन्होंने बाद में यूज़ किया था, लेकिन पहले जो है क्ले के ही बर्तन ऑलमोस्ट मिलते थे. द वर्शिप ऑफ मदर गॉडेस वॉज रिलेटेड टू, जो मदर गॉडेस है वो किस उसमें है? तो दैट इज़ विद इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन, नॉट विद आर्यन, नॉट विद वैदिक. इट इज़ बिलोंग्स टू इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन. And which of the following technique is used to making bronze statue during Harappa civilization? That they have used a technique lost wax casting. जैसे आपके पास वो ब्रॉन्ज वाली स्टेचू बना है, वो पहले कुछ भी स्टेचू एक मिट्टी का पूरा कुछ ना बनाकर, तो जस्ट इट्स लॉस्ट वैक्स टेक्निक. Which of the following technique is used to making bronze statue during Harappa civilization? The answer is lost wax casting. एक कोई भी एक स्ट्रक्चर बनाने के बाद वो बीच में वैक्स को, जो भी स्टेचू बनाना था तो उस शेप में वो फिल कर देते थे. देन वैक्स को पिघलाकर उसमें वो ब्रॉन्ज का फिलिंग करके देन वो इस तरीके से लॉस्ट वैक्स कास्टिंग करते थे. And which of the following artifact of Harappa civilization was mainly used for commercial purpose? आपको मालूम है सील्स का ज़्यादा यूज़ करते थे कमर्शियल पर्पज़ के लिए, कोई ऐसा उनके पास मनी नहीं था, कुछ नहीं था, तो दे यूज टू एक्सचेंज देयर सील्स. Which of the following were the center of Indus Valley civilization? Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. You better know that. And which material is used for sculpture of dancing girl? Dancing girl is made up of bronze. So we are not going to do these questions. So sculpture mother goddess is made of which material? Sculpture mother goddess is made up of terracotta. As you have already done this, that sculpture. This is our dancing girl, and sculpture mother goddess is so here is it, and it is made with terracotta baked clay. Then which of the following is the medium used for making bull seal? So statite is the material. Which of the following is the location of figure of dancing girl? And the Mohenjo-daro is the location of dancing girl. Which of the following sculpture of Indus Valley with an elaborated headgear? एक headgear जो है वो कौन सा ऐसा स्टेचू है जिसके ऊपर headgear बना हुआ है? तो वी नो दैट कि उधर इनके जो मदर गॉडेस के हेड पे 2 बाउल्स जैसी कोई शेप बनी हुई है, और ये उनका headgear जो है बना हुआ है. आई विल शो यू दैट. सी. So this is the like sculpture with headgear. Now let's move to Buddhist, Jain and Hindu art. We have already done these paintings. So here I am going to discuss the MCQs. The famous Ashoka pillar containing as a sculpture of 4 lions standing back to back located at Sarnath. Select the animal which is not carved in the abacus of lion capital from Sarnath. Deer, elephant, lion and bull. We know that these 3 animals are there, but deer is not there. So the answer is deer. What is the height of Chauri Birar from Didarganj? The height is 5 feet 4 inches. And which asana is related to Buddha from Katra Mount? The asana is Padmasana. He is sitting in Padmasana. So I'll show you the picture also. See, this is the painting, seated Buddha from Katra Tila, and he is sitting in Padmasana. Katra Buddha is seated on lion throne. I'll show you that again. See, lion throne. 3 lions are there. So what is the meaning of Tirthankara? Savior and spiritual teacher of a dharma. The meaning of Tirthankara. And which material is used for seated Buddha from Sarnath? Sandstone. The material is sandstone. Chauri Birar from Didarganj is a sculpture of which period? It is of Maurya period. We have already done 2 sculpture from Maurya period. One is that that is lion standing sculpture, and after that this is Chauri Birar from Didarganj. These 2 sculptures belong to Maurya period. Under which period Buddha sculptures had Greco-Roman influence? Kushan period. Kushan टाइम में जो था ग्रेको रोमन का इफेक्ट जो है पेंटिंग्स में या स्कल्पचर्स में रहता था. What kind of object Didarganj Yakshi holding in her hand? Didarganj Yakshi is holding Chauri. We have already done this painting, that Chauri Birar from Didarganj. So that Yakshi is holding Chauri in her hand, flying wings. It is she has holded that in her right hand. Actually, let's move to our last chapter of this unit. So in which Indian state are Ajanta-Ellora caves located? That located in Maharashtra. And how many caves are there at Ajanta? There are 30 caves, because 29 तो हमारे पास पुरानी थी, अभी एक केव की डिस्कवरी लेटेस्ट ही हुई है, और 30 caves are there. The Ajanta caves take the shape of a shoe horse. ये सेमी सर्कल में बना हुआ है, तो this would be the answer. What form of fine arts are depicted at Ajanta Ellora caves? तो magnificent paintings and wall carved sculptures are there. Patholic art नहीं है, wood carving नहीं है, hand prints नहीं है, तो this should be the answer of this. When were the Ajanta caves were discovered by whom? So as you all know that that is discovered by British officer on a tiger hunt. So the painting of Bodhisattva Padmpani is one of the famous, one of the most famous painting is Ajanta. Bodhisattva Padmpani Ajanta की painting number cave number 1 में बना हुआ है. And which flower of Bodhisattva Padmpani holding in his hand? Lotus. What does Padmpani means? Padmpani means one who holds a lotus. Padmpani means, Padm means hand and Pani means lotus. Jataka stories are related to Buddhas. अगर जातक कथाएं कहते हैं, जातक कथाएं हिंदी में, तो it belongs to Buddha. बुद्धा के बचपन की जो stories हैं, that is known as, बचपन की नहीं, almost जो stories हैं, that belongs to Buddha. In which cave is the painting of Padmpani Bodhisattva located? It belongs to cave number 1. Thank you very much. And right, Mara Vijay भी जो है, that you must know, that is the location of Mara Vijay is cave number 26. Do that also. Thank you very much.